Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have the simultaneous equations. It wants us to solve p over 2 plus k over 3 equals 5. That's p over 2 plus k over 3 equals 5. And I have 2p minus k equals 6. I'll call this equation 1, and I'll call this equation 2. There are one of three ways you can solve any simultaneous equation. You can either use your graphical method, you can use elimination method, and you can also use substitution method. Now for this question, I'll first try to resolve my equation 1 before I decide on the method that is best and easiest for me to use. Now if you look at equation 1, I have p over 2 plus k over 3 equals 5. I'll multiply through by 6 so that I'm multiplying 1 by 6. So that I'll have 6 p over 2 plus k over 3 equals 5 times 6. So that 2 here is 1, 2 in 6 will be 3. I'll be left with 3p plus 3 here is 1, 3 in 6 will be 2. I'll be left with 2k equals 30. Now if you look at equation 2, I have equation 2 also to be 2p minus k equals 6. Then I will want to use the elimination method. I'll multiply equation 2 again by 2 so that I can eliminate k. So that equation 2 now should become 2p times 2, that's 4p minus 2k equals 12. Plus 2k minus k, that gives away. So I'm left with 3p plus 4p, that's 7p equals 30 plus 12, that's 42. So that p now will be the same thing as 42 over 7. P is equals to 6. Now from equation 2 repeated, we know that it says 2p minus k is equals to 6. So that my minus k is equals to 6 minus 2p. K invariably will be the same thing as minus 6 plus 2p. Now this is the same thing as minus 6. P also is equals to 6 plus 2 into 6. So that k invariably is equals to minus 6 plus 12, which is equals to 6. So that when p is equals to 6, so that when k is equals to 6, p also is equals to 6. With this, I hope you understood how I use elimination method to solve this simultaneous equation. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.